Greetings, friends. Today I'm going to talk about Deepgram.com, a platform that offers powerful tools for speech recognition and text-to-speech. Deepgram provides an API for developers to integrate speech recognition features into applications. This is especially useful for call centers, medical facilities, and other areas where fast and accurate audio transcription is required. The platform offers several pricing plans. The initial pay-as-you-go plan allows you to test the service with a free limit of up to 2 hours of audio per month. Paid plans start at $1 per hour of audio processing, making Deepgram an affordable solution for many users. Growth and enterprise plans are available for larger projects. The growth plan costs from $4,000 per year and includes advanced features such as access to specially trained models and prioritized support. The enterprise plan costs $15,000. Deepgram also offers Nova and Aura models that provide high accuracy and speed speech recognition. These models are particularly effective in challenging audio environments, such as background noise or overlapping conversations. The platform supports multiple languages and integrations with popular tools, making it a versatile solution for a variety of business challenges. If you're looking for a reliable and scalable speech recognition service, Deepgram is a great choice. Give their API a try and see the quality of their services. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.